Hello, tractor enthusiasts. Do you know which machines made John Deere famous in the legendary 1950s? It was a golden decade with tractors that were not only powerful, but also incredibly durable. In today's video, we're going to explore the 5 best John Deere tractors that conquered millions of farmers worldwide. Get ready to go back in time and admire the true monsters of the fields. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other great videos, and comment below with your favorite John Deere tractor. An impressive introduction, the John Deere 730 is more than just a tractor. It's an icon, a legend that closed the golden era of John Deere's traditional two-cylinder lineup. Launched in 1958 and produced until 1960, the 730 quickly established itself as a true beast in the fields. This machine featured a powerful two-cylinder diesel engine, generating an impressive PTO, power takeoff horsepower, of around 60. This number not only surpassed its contemporaries, but also ensured optimal performance for the heaviest tasks, such as deep plowing and pulling large combine harvesters. This exceptional power, combined with incredible durability, made the 730 a trusted companion for thousands of farmers across North America. It was more than just a tool. It was a long-term investment that delivered high economic efficiency. What makes the John Deere 730 special is its perfect blend of advanced technology and classic design. Power steering was standard, making it easy for the operator to handle this massive tractor and reducing fatigue during long working hours. The improved transmission, with 6 forward gears and 1 reverse, offered maximum flexibility, allowing the driver to choose the right speed for various jobs and terrains. Furthermore, the powerful hydraulic system enabled smooth lifting and lowering of heavy tillage equipment, significantly boosting productivity. The muscular look, the signature green paint, and the roar of the two-cylinder engine created an unforgettable image of the 730. The John Deere 730 is not just a product, it's a testament to John Deere's innovation and quality. Being the company's last two-cylinder model gives it a special place in history. It represents the end of an era and the beginning of a new chapter for more modern, multi-cylinder tractors. Today, well-preserved John Deere 730s are considered valuable classics, sought after by collectors. They hold not only utility value, but also historical significance, serving as a reminder of the golden age of mechanized agriculture. The power, durability, and timeless design of the John Deere 730 make it a deserving candidate for one of the best tractors of the 1950s. With its impressive debut in 1952, the John Deere 60 quickly became a flagship model, following the great success of the legendary G-Series. This was more than just a succession. It was a comprehensive upgrade that brought superior power and efficiency to farmers. The John Deere 60 was equipped with a large 5.7-liter two-cylinder gasoline engine, delivering a PTO power of about 47 horsepower. This power was enough to handle tough farming tasks, from plowing hard soil to pulling large planters, significantly boosting labor productivity. The powerful and steady hum of this machine's engine became a familiar sound on thousands of farms worldwide, signaling an efficient and productive workday. The design of the John Deere 60 stands out for its simplicity, robustness, and subtle sophistication. The frame was constructed from high-strength steel, ensuring durability and resistance to impact in harsh working conditions. The large, specially designed tires help the tractor operate stably on various terrains, from muddy fields to sloping hills. One of the most notable innovations was the Power-Troll hydraulic system, which allowed the operator to easily adjust the depth of ground-engaging tools without stopping the machine, saving time and effort. This feature made the John Deere 60 one of the most practical and efficient tractors of its time. The John Deere 60 is not only a powerful tractor, but also a symbol of timeless durability. Decades after production ceased in 1956, many Model 60 tractors are still in good working condition and are cherished by farmers and collectors alike. It represents John Deere's manufacturing philosophy. Products should be simple, efficient, and built to last. The well-functioning machines today are not only a testament to John Deere's engineering quality, but also hold significant historical value. The John Deere 60 is a perfect choice for anyone who wants to own a piece of agricultural history a legendary machine that delivers exceptional performance and absolute reliability. Welcome to one of John Deere's greatest breakthroughs in the 1950s, the John Deere 70. Launched in 1953, this tractor was more than just a product, it was a revolution. This was one of the first John Deere models to feature a powerful two-cylinder diesel engine. This change not only brought superior performance, but also significantly improved fuel efficiency, meeting the growing needs of large-scale farms. With a PTO power of up to 50 horsepower, the John Deere 70 could easily handle the heaviest tasks, from deep plowing to pulling large agricultural implements, helping farmers get their work done quickly and efficiently. The John Deere 70 was not just powerful in its engine, it was also equipped with several advanced features that redefined industry standards. One such feature was the independent live hydraulic system, which allowed the operator to use attached implements like plows and harrows without interruption, even when the clutch was disengaged. This boosted labor productivity to a new level. The 6-speed forward and 1-speed reverse transmission provided maximum flexibility, suitable for everything from heavy plowing to light transport. The operator's platform on the 70 was also designed to be more spacious, offering greater comfort and helping drivers work more effectively during long days. With its perfect combination of power, efficiency, and technology, the John Deere 70 quickly became one of the brand's best-selling tractors in the 1950s. It was not just a work tool, but also a symbol of innovation in agriculture. To this day, the John Deere 70 remains one of the most sought-after tractor models, not only by collectors but also by farmers who want to own a legendary, durable, and powerful machine. The John Deere 70 not only changed farming methods, but also left a lasting legacy, proving the vision and superior quality of the John Deere brand. During the dynamic 1950s, John Deere didn't just focus on massive machines. It also recognized the need for a compact, versatile tractor. This is when the John Deere 40 was born in 1953. Although it didn't have the immense power of its larger siblings from the same era, the John Deere 40 made its mark with its flexibility and high efficiency for lighter tasks, such as gardening, planting, and crop care. This machine was equipped with a 2-cylinder gasoline engine producing 26 horsepower, powerful enough to perform a variety of tasks on small and medium-sized farms. The John Deere 40 proved that a tractor didn't have to be huge to be useful and reliable. The standout feature of the John Deere 40 was its compact design, which made it easy to maneuver and control in tight spaces, ideal for orchards or farms with many fruit trees. The improved power steering also helped the operator run the machine smoothly and precisely. Despite being a smaller model, the 40 was equipped with an independent touch-o-matic hydraulic system, allowing for easy lifting and lowering of attached implements. This feature made the John Deere 40 an ideal choice for tasks requiring high precision and flexibility, such as planting, tending to rows of crops, or irrigation-related work. The John Deere 40 quickly became one of the brand's most popular models, especially among farmers with smaller acreages. It was more than just a work tool, it was a reliable companion that helped them get the job done efficiently without needing a cumbersome larger machine. Today, this tractor is still highly valued by many collectors for its durability, reliability, and refined design. The John Deere 40 is a testament to the fact that a tractor doesn't need to be overly powerful to become a legend. It is a symbol of efficiency and flexibility in agriculture, and truly deserves a spot on this list. With its impressive introduction from 1952 to 1954, the John Deere 50 quickly established itself as one of the pioneering tractor models, representing John Deere's strong transformation in the 1950s. This model was designed to replace the old B model, bringing superior power and efficiency. The John Deere 50 used a powerful 2-cylinder gasoline engine with a PTO output of about 30 horsepower. This power was sufficient to perform basic farm tasks efficiently while still being fuel economical, making it an ideal choice for small and medium-sized farms. The John Deere 50 was more than just a tractor. It was a testament to John Deere's commitment to providing high-quality, reliable tools for farmers. The John Deere 50 had a balanced design with a moderate weight, which helped it operate stably on various terrains. The steering system was designed to provide the operator with a comfortable feel, helping to reduce fatigue during long working days. Despite being a mid-range tractor, The John Deere 50 was still equipped with all the necessary features, including the power trawl hydraulic system, which allowed the operator to control attached implements easily and precisely. The combination of engine power, smart design, and convenient features made the John Deere 50 one of the most popular tractors of its time. The John Deere 50 was a reliable, efficient, and durable tractor. It became an important part of agricultural history, helping thousands of farmers increase their productivity. To this day, many tractor collectors still highly value the John Deere 50 for its historical significance and timeless durability. It is one of the classic examples of John Deere's success in creating high-quality machines that met the needs of farmers during the dynamic 1950s. The John Deere 50 is an icon of an era where technology and durability coexisted, creating timeless products worthy of the title of one of the best John Deere tractors. And there you have it, the 5 best John Deere tractors that became legends in the 1950s. We've explored the power of the John Deere 730 and 70, the durability of the 60, the versatility of the 40, and the reliability of the 50. Each machine tells its own story and contributed to John Deere's legendary name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.